Hey everybody, this is Smart Martha here with another Catholic mom hack. And today's hack is not so much Catholic, but it's definitely a great mom hack for you who have kids in your house, even kids that are visiting in your house. Now, if you're anything like me, you find that you're running this dishwasher, you're washing dishes all of the time. This hack today is going to help you sort of reduce the number of times that you have to use your dishwasher to wash dishes. And this is simply by enforcing this rule. Kids, you get 1 glass a day. Now, when I first started following that rule, I tried using kids having different colors of cups. Like you get one, so-and-so had a red cup, somebody else had a blue cup, and so you had your 1 red cup that you had, and you used that same cup every day. I even had cups with the kids' names, like I wrote the names on them. But I found that those cups would get lost, or they couldn't find which one was theirs. They were using somebody else's kids, or someone else's cups, and it just started to be sort of a hassle. So what we discovered, myself and my kids, is that we established parking spots for the cups, okay? So, and I've done this in my other house that I lived in. I've even done in this kitchen before it was redone like 10 years ago. So we've done all different kind of counters, but all we've done is established a place where the kids can keep their cup for the day. So it's like a parking spot for their cup. Now mine is right back here in my kitchen, and you can still see it's right here on this counter. I have these sort of beat up stickers because they've been here for quite a while. And everybody just gets their cup for the day. Sometimes we'll have cups on here for 2 days too, great. But you get your cup for the day, and whenever you get something to drink, you just fill it up. You can fill it up in the refrigerator, or you get juice or whatever you're gonna use in your cup, and you rinse it out, and then you put it here. And we even have kids go ahead and grab their cup from here when we sit down for dinner. So it's truly one cup a day for everybody. And I mark the place with little stickers, and these stickers have changed over the years. Sometimes we've used, I remember one year we had different sports stickers, like the kids who were into, like the one kid was into soccer had a soccer sticker, and daughter had a little dance sticker, and those were the stickers down. I remember also having Disney stickers down. Everybody had a different Disney sticker, and they just put their cup on their sticker, and that was their parking spot for their cup that they used all day long. So, very simple to do. I know it's going to clutter up your counter a little bit. That's one of the disadvantages of it. But I think the advantage of just having, however many cups of people you have in your family a day to wash certainly saves you time in the long run, saves you running that dishwasher so much too. Also note too, when the kids have friends who come over, that they have we have an extra parking spot, so they also have a place to put their cup too. All right, so that's the Catholic mom hack for the day. 1 cup a day, and the way you can follow that is a parking spot. Parking spot marked with a sticker, however else you want to mark it. All right, thank you.